The waterfall has been getting bigger. Inside the cave so far it's been holding up well, so can't complain. Little water, not much. This side is dripping. Regardless of fixed roof, it's dripping in few major places here. This should not be the case. One is here, this is wet. I have to remember that to look after. One is here, this is safe so far. This is power station below here. This is not good, it's dripping there. Okay, there is water running away, which is good. Here is dripping from here, which is not good, coming from there. Okay, I see. So, how can I? And here is a major leak, but it's coming over here, it's not a problem. Okay, there is coming in the end. I see. There I can bend a little bit in the end. Here I have nothing to do because this is this sheet. There is nowhere to go with water. This is normal here. It's only happening with waterfall because the cliff is overhanging and with the rain it's not the case. So the source of waterfall, which I tried to divert up a hill, it hasn't been working. Okay. Definitely is less dripping here above my head, where it used to be a lot since I fixed the roof. But there are certain spots which need to be improved. I found one of the problems where the metal sheet is touching the pallet and it lets, instead of flowing further, it lets the water go all around here. But I stuck the pipe, which I'm gonna cut during the daytime, and try to divert water away, but I'll have to think some better engineering solutions here. This is not a thing I want to do at night. Meanwhile, the ceiling improvement has worked and dripping water is diverted away now. All good here. I can't really sleep. I need to know exactly where something is dripping, so I can better fix it another day. Why do I feel now dripping in my head? It's splashing somewhere. It's coming from here. Okay, I see. That seems to be alright. Here I need to put some diversion. Here it's normal. There, still dripping. I can't step in it right now, but I know the issue now already there. Important is here. It is wet. Damn it. It's not good. It is wet here. It is not good. Wow. I need to fix it. Now. This was all wet and I don't see anything dripping. That's the question. How come it's all wet here? Comes through a cable from behind. I don't feel anything. Here I found one spot. Okay, this is dripping. I understand now why. But here was all wet. This is wet. Okay, I understand. Needs to be. Oh, this is all wet. Damn it. That's not good. Yeah, I need to film to make sure I will know the leak another day. Right. I see. I see. Can get up there. I see where it's going. I see. Because of the way I placed the sheet there. I remember watching that, but I don't remember if I could do it any differently. I still don't get it. Why was it wet here? Okay, I see now. That is a drop of water. It comes from behind there. I have to go other way. I don't see where it comes from, and it's too little to be all wet here, which it was. So this water source Still unknown. That one I put now to lift it a little bit away from pallet. This is okay. I unplugged it just in case. Yeah, it's dripping. Okay, I know already. From here. Okay, that source is known. I really don't know how can I fix these small leaks. The waterfall is exactly as big as I needed. All like a rain. So I got what I asked for. To test the roof. Yeah, will be the next thing to block by building the roof further. But for that I need to remove a lot of stuff here, including the table and shelf, and that's a big job. Not enormous, but ow! Here is dripping as well. Murphy's Law right into my socks. How come? Okay, it comes from here, flows over and right to my feet. My own mistake. Should have known that. So, to make a long story short, it's better than before, but far not perfect, so I have a lot of improvement. And with my means, or rather inexistent means to buy stuff, I must be very creative now to see how can I fix the dripping holes, dripping spots, and protect my things better.